aba me bra pani sofo Elvis aba me bra pani sofo Elvis enen na busia say na ye no mo e bidi nkomo kakra fa Kuwait ho aja me bra no ba beto no enti e wo say me ne no edi nkomo kakra di bra akwa ba uti da ko TV ni
ya da wase ene akwanya wanya dia maye send enso no ene on twetwe nkomo apa ba ene mo ngoko de
nkopo ado bi aboko
ene dia nase
eja ye ba okromo yi asore okromo de Nigeria fo aso asore be to so okromo nya se Nigeria fo na ere ehodu oba no ne international nya nya ye ba ne hodu afi no manza Ghana for ati asore but say asore ye wo Ghana se Roman Methodist nya de no ye hu Ghana for de ye e wo ha e ka momo de no se SD for asore a e Ghana for na Ghana ni na ye e da no momo de nkwa de hu se mo ye de mo ye Ghana asore a mo wo boguru mo ya ye ku ni Ghana ni ene sanda no enti me aya me dwuma me hu jam se bisa kwan be na mo fa so a mo sha asore na se
etemba
asore na de obo akuru mo ya na se mpese o chere ho kakra
ya da ase ewo etemesa ka biwa kwanya odi amaye se ye ni adofo ntwen komo edi nkan no nya asafo no na de me ba kurum ha me ba ekrum ha 2009 June
2009
yes and just ya check akra na just gibubu nkompo ye bubu kwa na just June e twa win na enfie du ba ko
the 21
yes 11 years and na e bedru krum ha na ya fa eniema bebre mo edi nkan no nipa na odi me ba ye no na Ghana no wakase ye baba be ye me sua de kakra kwa nimu enya diploma in journalism ntino na akwese ye baba be ye sa journalism adwuma no sa na ka kire ye na ye baaye ti ye baaye no na se enya sa leti na mum adane abutu ti minia na edne kakra free say nyuma no mo de me ye no na enya no na me nye bi kura da as I cleaning paper and those kind of way. To know, Yami Adon, you see, Kete, Saja, you couldn't say the city and Yababa, Yabayanisa, tea, may a side humanum film and son. And the Ananya, but Crawford, me no by a year, me non for no Kakari, Epiprebe, Yano, a buy. Na yebuswa no ye infimiensa yebi ye na ja ye nya apanya e free ta company no ne for company for ye nya release ne krom ha se de hasity no chasa oba na wonya release ne dia ene wotumi akọ pay aduma for nti ye nya sa apanya no na ja ye ko ye na ye konya menya aduma bia ono so no na omdo omoton ne ma e wo shop nti omo so fa me me ye aduma ho mfie nan me ye aduma mfie nan wie ye no na asafo ye hu me modembo na me bo asafo no montino omode asafo no share me sabi se sofo ana me ne ye aduma no no free Jordan yes
asafo de safo share unsa
yes
but say nya preko per mo de asafo share unsa because me hu say nyam di me hu ye etada aya na etada me hu na u pia bicycle
na mo ya pa
ya bro
me una uvia bicycle
away bicycle Vanessa because na nse kuruma danga ta bo na ehye nti se time me fa so kakra na apai me pia sa ko me kwa kudro dum
because me say na u pia tai enti later me say oye asori wo fi jam
yes
be bia o sha asase na ye dia so na sha wo sa
enti no
me na fa so ye dia so na sha
yes enti no anya bete se de wo kan na bia ni away ni na mu na me share fellowship na se wo Mabula me fia na metimu no e na sofo ana o ezi asafo so wo ha no free Jordan e na obi ko ka kire ne se me wasafo no me nemu no me de na me ne nka asafo ho asɛm na mo obi fra ma chiko ka kyerɛ sɛ ma hya ase kra wo me fie o a me ne nkrofo ehyiehia bompae
sɛ wo hya asɔre na sɛ wo fie
e wo me fie
ah we Ghana SD asɔre
Ghana SD fo no me startie yes enti eba sɛ Ghana fo mo hye asafo ase ti e wo kurum ha de metumi aka sɛ obi a medikan a me hya ase sa na kan yen kasa no so na ye di kan ne Brad Thomas Ghana for
Ghana Sugar World
yes nya Sugar World per se life abundant for na me ne wo nso ahya ase fellowship ne bi ewo Fintas asofona na wo na Pastor Jonathan na mamenka Pastor Jonathan ne obi a lokwata me ba krom ha no oboa me pa oboa me woni ma futu fam ne ade nti me fanta me papa still I make say no oda so ye me papa manage papa no pa oboa me and afi India ni sofo bi nso no so friend Rajesh ono nso e support me woni ma bebre mu enti e free fellowship ho no e na me hu say me hu SD asafo krom ha nti no me ko join SD fo no na through that no am fellowship am start here na sofo no tie no lo so oh ene ono nso no opobia me na boa na adwuma nti me boa na so adwuma no de me pe pe me kwada abremu nyina na me pass off die na me free kura na o sha te from sofo nti na sofo no ye adwuma me nia nti no ofa me etare no ho ene o ye me assistant pastor e wo ya safo kese na e wo salo e ye SD for safo kese no e wo Kuwait ya na wo salo
so the Filipino for leaders
Filipino for India for nationalities na also na nti me ne ye adwuma for almost a year ena ekwanya ba se also ko America ekoto na disua so eduru onso no na ohebe nkom ne nifa obi e ni hodo a odi asafo ne hye ne sa edi nti ohwe manim no se Eves ma me fa asafo injawo na menko nti odi asafo kese ni nyina SD asafo kese ni nyina hye ne sa ansana ena go field for na yes conference na wa hanu so eba ye no mehira me ena odi asafo no hye ne sa se me hwe so opem se yes ena ti me hwe asafo no so wotna asori dan no mu opem it's almost 1.5 years and you hear something so opem say so for every conference by and one more catch them say and yes a so for aba honom dia membership bi ase e wo manga fa nti ha enso ne ba bia ya ba be sha ase a enso ye kon kakran
let's say no yes I know most of people never in Ghana
for titru pa ne ba ne mom no ye wo nationalities bi nso o nso e ba ha bit say India for me wo India 4 members or me wo Filipino 4 me wo American 4 member me wo America back omo nyina no omo
na wo hwe aha SD asore no som na ene Ghana no the same na
the American say SD som no de em say ba bia obeko bia no sa say de ye ne Ghana no sa na ye no ba
na hasemo nya asore Saturday
ye asore Saturday ye Saturday anopa yeah, you shall say free 9, ekopim 12. Yes.
And Friday the morning also.
Who made the Shia no say you share who made on Friday. Say see I walk by hono. Aku share who made that. Friday about have 5:30. Kwa nature say preparation nature say grab who made them. The who made that no e di be bra mu akopim say Saturday no who made that no beto. Na fi na ye bi.
Now asafo le team ni ade what are some challenges?
Oh, and yeah, a dozen. On say so the wo kan no kra no na wo kra nse na unim say ye asoro on Saturday because on say ha no weekend na koye Friday and yes Friday ne Saturday basically no say most of people no enya Sabbath off no nti ye problem ba ko pa ye woni say ankrofo benya Saturday no off no or Friday ne de ya na bi mo e wo fi but Saturday no anopa no titru yana edin efinjipro ne yanya Ghana for yenu Ghana for yana edin kakra because pina kwa duma Saturday anopa challenge pa edin my nanso no in all no I know say kakra nyankopon ehye
because Roman for my answer Friday
yeah
because mako Roman saro Hamadi mako Hamadi o my Friday but just o mo time ni so
yes
because also my Brofo, or my India Cassan, come here, and they got language by 4 years.
Yes.
Na Filipino for so,
yes.
1 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour.
And it's a thought.
Yeah, until I'm
yes.
Fridays.
Yes.
Since I'm almost Saturday now, I
said,
now what you're going to change in my Friday.
There be. You change it by Friday in a year.
Some of them much I say I want to
there be. What shall I say, oh, Yawa Danimra, not from Medanako Pimbre. The Bible say, none soon, and what they for me and what you're no and in you making sure say, none sooner, dear. Yet the Homeda.
Say, Seven. What shall I say free?
That be good to me. And now, now, what shall I say for you? Bible say, and now I shall see a free, because oh, I have no Arabic no, Sunday no, and so one maintaining Dino, Sunday no. Or Maka say, Al Wahed no, Al Wahed is a first day, Sunday no, Al Wahed. Yes. And into Okodro Thursday comes and say Kamis. And the Oba maintaining dinner a first day, second day, third day. A Saturday no, when you say on the first Saturday no, Arabic. Aha, my main country. Saturday no, Obet me can Yom Sabt. Yom Sabt. And now Yom Sabbath. So maybe person may kind of broadcast a moment, I say Yom Sabbath. And Al Sabbath. Al Sabbath and Al Day Sabbath. And that is a Omocra me Arab phone. Or maintaining Sabbath. Yet a Christopher Yina Saturday in Yano. This is question I know with this uncle Fofi. And the Sabbath in the day. Said or see Dini. Okay, Exodus chapter 20, verse 8 now. Eba 11 now. Or come once and say, Kai Homeda Nede, Nancy, and I are Dina. So, our Bible, Tindia, Timpaya, young one said, Young Coupon, and why said they will be a quite memory among members now. Yes. And yet, main challenge by I said, SDA a Sabbath people. One challenge
holiday Friday.
Yes.
Now, Sabbath,
I will say Saturday.
Saturday, this year, almost also.
No, Arab phone Saturday long go baby. A holiday more. But then so no has a workers in the or more pine.
Friday,
yes.
Yes, Saturday, you are headings of a class.
I before say maybe me bass of the answer, there's a few not adding because they say they are suffering Tiamica until Minya be a option with me. Before say. Me bass of a demon, no a problem. Sometimes no say me cook, and I may cook Cassa or Honsan, as I am one day, and the apple. And na easy nanso no menim se nyankopon de otie ne masofre nti pina nso na eguso bom paye ma afofro no nti pina enya Sabbath off. Yes. Nti de meton safre adofo nyina SDF fo asafo wo ma nyina nso mo bom paye a monkai ko etiman na monkai SDF fo nso e wo ko se nyankopon na mi kwan se be ya
omonye Sabbath omonye ne holiday
yes
na omonye ne Saturday no mama
if it's omono Saturday omono ko ba bia
ono ko bia no work ade ko aduma
yes but the work is there omemo
the work is no ko aduma na so mama so oba challenge na for asafo no
oh baby before no some so me ja ka da me baby but nyamia do me share me ho ka for no e ja me nya me release from Kadama house but me mo me dem Kadama no na ye sewing
okay that is we now asori na kasemu no oba yes of man what are the challenges say now see ehun asori no efa because one mass of mamia oba ya oba two mass of mamia what are the challenges
me dey at times ne nya wo pe na obenya me dey obi na me kwa so e wo girls and e show mo come to
diga na ko
na me ya me da na me ko baptist
na ko baptist
so Sakumona Estate
enti
me ba 2009 ya but me ba November
tu pode chegar
na yes fan me
There's a bar in a sort of so with a sort of Casano. Send us soon because we'll be our SD. About one of your SD. Oh, yeah, someone I'm quite a challenge.
Oh, me moment challenge because okay, me moment I'm into me because still I'm aware, but I'm here to maneuver.
There is a Sabbath there.
Sabbath in the so say me wo kwame release freedom
and follow
yes
Sabbath
yes and yeah in the my housewife to know and na show them to me
call the 10 open but apart from my no ever has said who's a Ghana sister of my phone and will program challenge because of say be a man be a house or Ghana sa high so boy
I no moment there so that anger that but more be a program be a sorry maybe we should lay a home pie I don't know nyane brain na let me baby at that time nurse be all with duty into the na me be a ba no naija fanasa next time maybe I never so be say onu be nya time
that we should that time
into no one's about your life and also na yesterday and the way beba it's now we him into no beba bia no naija ya ko na sa na ya pompa kaka
na high so enkwara hwe no mutise
enkwara hwe no aha no e yo okay enkwara ka me ho no ene asoro na ananse
enkwara ka ho ne asoro juma no
yeah nyamiadom first no na bia your transportation something na e problem also ba last could you imagine sanka ka woman no mba kweti ni full speed obata mi kwa that time na msa me nko o se bisa
no ne nse
kwame na mi kwa na chese mbese mi twambas na ba se wo sa bas ni wan ko na e kwa
twambas se be 1 hour and 30 minutes
chese me force na chese ka yi di full speed na just I am my confused one mabula fenta no that office into me am in the hall of fa me was it be am catch us on my am fire ko fa the side mu one e ko ne ye
ko fa with 30 the side one
enti yes am na me adom driver no me ye ya na ogina ya na me twem but me ye mo she mpa enti na no so ye challenge wo ni car ni nkola na do ko fa bus na
no no say no enkwara na so bi na mfo
Dabi imagine some plan without car and embrace ye ko program ye ko se na kola se ye no mo na nti ko fa untime enfa taxi scan ye
and then awade ba ko
yanko nyame adom
o ye ma ye nya o se ye de nyame asa
na me bekan
yes
na me kan me na me ya life nyame adom ti ye do kompa se radi wadwuma na ye and our situation now we need a car. Now and the car no bet me out easy. What the 150 go be your car but license no problem. But ye bompaye e radi bi kwa ma so for last year when your license. Tinyamia do.
There's a license car. There's a car to front.
Now they say driving is a bachelor.
This is a bachelor car.
This way I go Ghana me.
This is a bachelor.
Inti nyamia do nyamia pa potie for pa onim say purpose say ka ye na adwuma
because I say oh se se me kuta car no
I challenge you
I challenge because me ko hari azam faka me ko ana taxi che say
maybe so pass
we kra na ye wo kra na wonam me kra na nyankopon nim pan say I was say o my license because visitations me obia me move pa na bus obetimi agina ho for long time na ma awie awoi woda musa antino na ye challenge ba say de wo kan me nim say some of the one challenge na ye wo and nyankopon ma
yeah because me ni kutaka say ko me find it easy me ka ka ko hela na ye ko petekiti
yeah
and we say no ofre we ya o de me ba
enye easy
Nancy Coco City every day I'm going to be we have we unica and then we are near Bona.
It's most of them
but I'm saying oh now Bible cast me the cause o mo do ho to every ade nyina di ko ne bi o mi na ntintino ni nyina so ya wotre say during that time no say o pa ba now ka say oh me den krai na ma wia so ana say situation me wo mu no me to me nti o give up and no dey do bia na aye hamodi ko ye didie no o si didie nti me sipi e wo Kristo Jesus
because me last be I quite remember me ba mu feel na mabola na maya sarawi nti na me ne obi ase na ejina fomo it was na brawe nti on pa eduma bi nye asore no ma no yire we am shada ngeto we mu asore we no
mini so we oba o be bia ne
okay say asore okay ni go mu se go so pia bicycle
now to no bicycle no gra
no ka say hey me he mo me ho for senior because they be o pia bicycle
ebenia na odika na ni ka dika
because I say o he so ba so we adwuma na odi nyam dwuma echi na ko ho chi no
na odika biza o he pa so de oba ko be hu ba bia ne me see ekromatit kuetia makase die obeto no bo ase ahenya kopani nkuni die eye okwa says die na me ntina me all the time me preach here me kanya me asema me ka ba bu mu asem de but ya na ma bra bu mu asem ya na pesa me ka no e de show bi nkuna ne e be say die ohun me nra say o ka ma asema che na onim se wo ba ye se wo be hu ba bia yete
yeah
I have me even me man kwa na te help
say die
so me ma foto
because baby ana what first
me we do akoto
na na ho
asam tu ye asam ba je mo flat ni mo one room
for ngola mi
menia
and grab me say Cynthia make say because as I say wow flat wow hall
just say asafolo mpese even na me pese me go me peke siesa on say partner vela mo salwa na me pese at least Ghana for no be kura omo nya ye ne bitim betra ye nchen na je e dan go free na so na asafolo mpese obi beba na fe ho ha ho omo say yankwa ye ntena ntina e be pem ne ete ha na emu no de mekane ten di kan kan de mesa kan say de ode no to awrade so ade nyina di ode me de
because obi ana upia bicycle no
say
bicycle no
me say o me ja release am ja duma me ja bicycle this year
oh bicycle is
bicycle no can be trying to pitch
me say last day na me dey call aduma wo hono
o ka say na
oh we me say last day na me nya release me last day of aduma na me kon
and you
me na from the time na me hear aduma no ayi ha I hope referral say Marina Mall Gela de me hear ni say baby am pack bicycle no man san go for hobio na mo me fa the other side no na me nam from garage
say nije
me nam me say man ko bicycle no na say me say me catch say car na me use say nyam ya no me to yo bicycle no ka de me ya no tis ka ko bicycle kedi nyam be yo me bicycle no me am to ye Ford as say me use to Ford ka se
so 4x4 mo so 4x4
sa Ford na me use no ma so de baba ko ne toy no de clean be shade say je the fire nyam to can you imagine
from bicycle
can you imagine from Villa
oh some of you are be share abro so
me mai me ye ko na
some ba ho me hu nkwa na wo mo dan mo so mo dan kitchen e bi me no se me
yes e yo ko na ne yete
Nyankopon
ye nyame tumi nti ofa me free saa time no de na me ye no kakran na o hwe nti o ye bibia ma nyame a enye what say nyame wo ho na obeshira
na o for am so ni say mo ma ba mu bu ti was ye hwe sa situation na ye wo mu na na ba mu bu ya
because have a ni bisa ba na say nti papa ni ye de bi o she dem mi ne ba ko ba da ye nkata o ba da se sama ne ba
no so ye testimony
ba ko sa o kan say ekrum ha ayamra ekrum
wona me bi ho pa bi ko bisa no question say
nyankopon
ubetima ye bisa ma
no oyamra nyankopon ewom emra no mo odi ekrum ha de nenso de obedi mra no so no emra no bo no ba ade ba ko
wo sa me na we oni bisa
be ma 2 years
we so ba
na oni krata ya kele we krata me nia e no ba so ba
na wo nya krata
can you imagine
na we su ni krata
2 years me be me buy
Ogroma in the Panama Coffee.
2 years, me buy and hospital.
Because only Crata. The horse is in the panel.
Until me, Name, a Juma me, a lace, Kadman and me. All the time, I'm a boca. To me, baby, I'm a because me, son, a bruise the mom of an answer to me. It has a making fancy card because me, one, me were doing what they might be away in the banso. So, offering so be better from and I will see a tono into final hospital. I am running until none may away. The all the time, no me bonfires and young couple fuck when we swore on yet sudden.
They done with me,
very good. And also another episode of testimony I met me. I can
with me every summer.
Number 1. Me di kind enemy company no kokasai. Say problem am me woni. Na ma di kan no work a long time, but no for man so na me. And that could be 2 Gideon no. Gideon no me 2 years say. Me fa nkwada ni na no fa me reka. Na me do mo call office. Na mo ka trom say situation me woni. Say omo pese me ye adwuma no mo ma, me to so ye adwuma. Omo nya me kata no. Tesa me ma no. You say ba ko ya. Me ntumi fa no cost. And I'm beside about and say, oh, until Bow Kumhan, won't be found hospital, meeting the cost, what you do cost, I may buy meeting found hospital. Mess me, Mamma.